Okay, so to wrap up this last little bit of direct variation, we'll look at example 5, where we're going to use the values to write a direct variation equation. So here's how this works. What we know is that our direct variation equation form is y equals ax. But right now, I only know an x value and a y value. So this is like an ordered pair. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. So this is like an ordered pair that I can substitute into this form. So I'm going to put 9 in for y. A is what I'm trying to find out, and I know my x value is 3. So now I'm going to solve for A, remembering that my A is my constant of variation. So as I solve now, I find that 3 equals A, or A equals 3. So now that I know my constant of variation, now I substitute this back into my original form, which is y equals ax. So for this equation, I will write y equals 3x. So let's take a look at letter B. On letter B, again, I'm going to start with my form, y equals ax, and I'm going to substitute what I know. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going to put -4 in for y, and I'm going to substitute -18 for x. So now I solve for A by dividing both sides by -18. Negative divided by negative makes a positive. 4 divided by 18 is 4/18, which I'm going to reduce to 2/9. So now I found my letter A, my constant of variation. So I take this and I substitute it back into my equation. And now I can write my new equation, which is y equals 2/9 x. And now I have a direct variation equation in the y equals ax form. And now I can substitute any other coordinates in there. So finally, for this page, what do you notice about the ratios of y to x for all of the direct variation equations? I think that will be fairly obvious for you, but I will let you answer that question on your C Notes page. And as we flip to the back, we will look at our final real-world example. So the online music, we're comparing the cost in dollars to the number of songs, S. So this table shows the cost of downloading songs at an internet music site. First, we need to explain why C varies directly with S. Remember, this is our lingo for direct variation. We're saying that this variable varies or changes directly with this variable. We're not adding anything to it. There's no y-intercept. All I'm simply doing is changing one variable directly as the other one changes. So let's look at what we have. If I want to find my constant of variation, as I'm looking at my table, I could find that y to x ratio. So in my first row, I know it's $2.97 per 3 songs. And as I divide out 297 by 3, I know that that will go in 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. That's a difference of 2. I bring down my 7. So I know that it is 99 cents per song. So let's look at my next row. In my y to x ratio, I have $4.95 divided by 5 songs because it's $4.95 per 5 songs. So as I divide this out, I find again that it is 95 cents per song. And as I look at my last set of coordinates in my table, $6.93 per 7 songs, that also reduces to 99 cents per song. So this is direct variation because the cost of the songs varies directly with the number of songs that I buy. So now if I want to answer part B and write a direct variation equation, then I have found my constant ratio here, and that constant is my letter A value. So in my form, y equals ax, I find that the rate at which y varies directly as x is 99 cents. So I'm going to substitute that constant in for a. Now I have my equation. All right, you guys are all set then with everything you need to tackle your homework. So you are going to be looking at the book work, which is page 256. Good luck, everybody.